guys, and welcome back. I hope that everyone out there is having a fabulous day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unbagging the Bolzano handbag subscription for the month of February. So if you're interested in seeing what bag came this month, stay tuned. For those of you who are not familiar with Bolzano, it is a monthly handbag subscription where for $33.95 you can receive a handbag and some accessories each month. They also have other subscription options as well, such as their Luxe subscription where for $43.95 you receive a handbag, 3 accessories, and 3 beauty items each month. Currently, for a limited time, they are also offering a Luxe Plus subscription. With this subscription, you receive a purse, some accessories, and 4 to 5 beauty items. And there's currently a free gift also available when you subscribe to this subscription of the Aquasource Biotherm product. And the cost of this subscription is $148.50. And to get this subscription, you do have to buy the 3-month subscription. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and dive in and see what bag came this month. Now, when you receive your subscription each month, it does come in a duster bag like so. Actually, it comes shipped in a white mailer bag, but I went ahead and took that out. Oh, pretty. Right. Move that to the side for a second. Guys, this color is really, really pretty. Very, very pretty. This is the bag. Look at that. And it looks like a tote bag. I love that. I love the color and I love the style. This is perfect to just throw over my shoulder. And this burgundy color, I can wear it with a few different styles, a few different colors. Loving this bag. It's very simple, but very cute, very elegant. I love the contrast of the straps colors being a little bit lighter here than the bag itself. Look at that. And I am saying this is burgundy. I hope it's burgundy. I'm looking at it. It's like, could it be brown? It actually might be brown, guys. I don't know. It's either burgundy or brown. I'm not really sure. So as you can see, the bag has the little Bolzano emblem there, and you can take that off if you like, so that's optional. And the hardware on here is a silver hardware. Very, very nice. I love silver, so that works out really well. Let me go ahead and take this out. Okay, inside of the bag also we have the extra strap that you can use as a crossbody. Now this bag has 1, 2, 3. It has 2 pockets on this side here. I'm hoping you can see that. One here and then the other here. And they have a decent depth to them, enough to hold a cell phone on one side and probably put my lipsticks or something on the other side. And then it also has a zipper pocket there. Can you see that? Look at that. So you can store some things in there. Okay, and then everything zippers inside. There is a top zipper, which is nice. It's just not an open bag, so go ahead and zip that up so you can see how that looks totally zipped. All right, and it does have the little feet on the bottom so that you're not placing your bag directly on the floor if you have to put it down. Now, usually they send a little card with a name of the bag, but maybe it's inside of this bag. Let me go ahead and put this aside again. Love the bag. Real quick again, I'll throw it over my shoulder so you guys can get a feel for that. There you go. So let's go ahead and move on to the accessories. Here's that card I was looking for, guys. It's in the accessory bag. And it says, "Congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Loretta especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $205. Loretta is part of our latest collection. It comes in coffee/scarlet and cream/tan. So I guess this is not burgundy, it is brown. Under my lights, I promise you, it looks more burgundy to me, but I'm sure once I turn the lights off or go into the other part of the house, I'll see how brown it really is. But it's still a beautiful bag, brown or burgundy. I love it. All right. Let's see what we got in here. Some stuff there in a little organza bag. Looks like some jewelry. Well, it is some jewelry. All right, that's really pretty. And it is a necklace. Look at that. Can you see that? I guess I'll go ahead and take it out. This is super cute, guys. Look at that. How pretty is that? Ah, Very, very pretty. I love the little accessories that they send. As a matter of fact, the necklace that I'm wearing today, the bracelet, and the earrings that I have on were actually inside of last month's Bolzano. So I do wear the items that we receive inside, and this is really cute. So I would definitely be wearing this as well. And this would be perfect with like a lower cut top and let it kind of hang in the center. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right. And I love silver. I prefer silver over gold. The next item I am seeing looks like a little scarf or a little tie for your purse. Let's go ahead and take this out and see what it looks like. Well, that's super cute. It's just a little tie that you tie around your purse. I guess you could tie it around your hair as well. This is super cute. Doesn't particularly match the bag that I got this month, but I have some other bags from them that this would go perfect on. Like I said, it could actually be just a cute little hair tie, like tie it up and tie a bow in your hair. Very cute. The next item we received is this, and it looks like a pair of sunglasses. Let's see. That's what those look like. They're really cute. Let's see, let's see. All right. All right, watch out now. Watch out. Actually, these are really cute. They're something that I would wear. They're big, but I like big glasses. Actually, I like small ones too, but I prefer big ones because I feel like they're kind of obnoxious and it just kind of goes with my whole vibe. But anyway, these are really, really cute. The frame is plastic, which is good for me. I don't mind a plastic frame because when you put them on your face in the summertime, they don't burn you. So these are really cute. The color is very pretty as well. And I just realized these match the handles of the bag. How stinking cute. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. So we'll have to coordinate these two together. Maybe I'll take a snap and put it on Instagram. I'm really enjoying the bag and the accessories thus far this month, but most months I enjoy Bolzano, so I guess that's nothing new. All right, now we have the beauty items, I guess, packaged here. Let's go ahead and pull that open and finish this up. All right, so the first beauty item is a strawberry lip scrub, and that's what that looks like. And this will definitely get used because I love lip scrubs. Oh, that smells good too. Look at that. Stick my finger in there and see how much grit it has. That's what that looks like on my finger. I just want to see. Okay, it has a decent amount of the grit in it for the scrubbing portion. It feels really good. Your lips would be nicely exfoliated with this. It's not too rough, but just right. I know some of the ones that I've gotten have been either not enough exfoliation in them or some have been a little bit too coarse, but this feels really good. It's kind of that in between. I think you'll get a nice lip exfoliation with this. And it smells pretty good too. The next thing we got in here is some silicone nipple covers. There we go. Let me see how these feel. I don't have any of the silicone ones. I typically wear just the little nipple petals underneath my clothes that require it, but I've never gotten the silicone ones. All right. They feel pretty decent and they're not too thick, so these should work out well. I'm going to give these a try and see how they work out. I've heard other people say that they work really well and that you can reuse them numerous times, so I'm excited to try these. And the last thing that I'm seeing here is a pomegranate detox face mask. All right, looks like a box of them. All right, look at that. Let's open this up. Oh, nice. We get 5 of the pomegranate mask inside of the box. So that is really, really nice. I'm excited for that. I love a good mask, so these will definitely come in handy. Now, what I am noticing is that this was my first time signing up for the Luxe Plus, and it was supposed to come with the free biotherm, which was not included in here. But I'll just reach out to them and let them know, and I'm sure that they will send it. One of the things that I can say about Bolzano is that their customer service is really good, and they're really good about getting back to you. So that's definitely a plus in their favor. But anyhow, guys, that is everything that I received inside of this month's Bolzano. I am pleasantly pleased with everything that I received. Let me know what you guys thought about this month's bag and this month's accessories down in the comments below. Also, do any of you receive Bolzano? If so, what'd you think about your Bolzano subscription this month? Let me know again down in the comments below. Anyway, guys, that's all that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.